Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Latina Marie. If you are new to my channel, welcome. Thank you so much for stopping by. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and join the family. I would truly appreciate it. Make sure you turn on your notifications so you know when I'm posting. Today's video is going to be a kind of recovery from yesterday's video. If you did not see that, I will leave that in the cards or in the description, somewhere where you can access it very easily. But yeah, yesterday's video was quite a fail. So today I'm gonna try to redeem myself and try to make up for the terrible mess that was the attempt to be a cut crease. So today I'm going to follow a picture. I'll put it up on the screen somewhere so you guys know what I'm talking about. But this seems like a more simple cut crease than the whatever I was trying to attempt yesterday. But you know what? When I was editing the video, I was like, oh my gosh, this really wasn't that bad. If I had just kind of went in a different direction with it, instead of trying to add that blue and like the cool tone color, it probably would have turned out really nice. And if I would have just kept it a warm situation, it would have worked out. But because I was so, like, my brain was wanting to be way too creative with it, it just fell apart. So today I'm going to keep it simple. I'm going to just try to keep it to the basics of a cut crease. Hopefully it is a success today. Hopefully we don't have too many problems with it. But yeah, I don't want to talk too much and I'm kind of in a rush. I'm on my way out, so I'm gonna get right into this. So as you can see, I have my base on, I have prepped my eyes, so I'm just gonna get into this. The palette that I'm gonna be using today is my Protege. I believe that's how you say it. The last time I talked about this palette, I was completely confused on how to pronounce it, but I believe it's Protege by Suva Beauty. If you guys don't remember what it looks like, this came into my BoxyCharm. This was my BoxyCharm from December, I believe, yeah. So I'm gonna go into this color right here, and I'm just gonna put that like really kind of high in my brow and pat it on first, and I'm gonna drag that out following my brow. Why am I out of focus? Next, using my same brush, which is the Morphe M139, I'm gonna dip into this purplish color right here and bring that right under this brownish color. They're really similar, quite similar. So now I'm going to take my concealer and I'm going to cut my crease. And as I showed you in the last video, again, if you've not seen that, I will put that up in the cards or in the description. I'm putting just a bit of it in my brow bone, like kind of in my socket area. And from there is where I'm going to create my crease, because again, I have a hooded eye, so it makes everything kind of difficult with little to kind of no lid space. So I'm just going to use my concealer and create a crease. And for this, I'm just using the concealer brush. I find that it actually works pretty good with precision and everything because of the angle in it. So save a brush. And as you can see, I'm kind of winging the eye, and the reason that I'm using my actual concealer color is because I want this to look like just kind of natural. And before I move on to the next eye, I'm just gonna set that. And to set that cut crease, I'm going to be using my NYX mattifying finishing powder. And I'm just going in with this small mini flat angled brush. It's a Luxie 111, I guess. I'm going to do the other eye off camera and I will be back. Okay, both of my creases are cut and they're not that perfect, but I'm going to ignore it because I feel like that's what caused me to make a mess of my last attempt at this. So I'm just going to leave it. I'm just going to let it be. I know that they're not perfect. That's something that I really got to work on, and it makes it difficult when I don't have an actual crease, when I'm creating a crease, but it's okay. So next, this look is pretty much almost over. Next, I'm going to go in with a eyeliner. This is NYX Epic Ink liner, and I'm just going to wing my eye and kind of follow where I was going with this, and that'll pretty much be it. So I'm just going to it didn't really go up, but it's okay. We're not gonna complain. Based on the picture, I feel like that's it. I'm gonna do my lashes and I will be back. Now I am back. I've done my lashes and this one looks like crap, but it's okay. I'm gonna take, I'm gonna take this black liner. It's a little glittery, but it's okay, I don't mind. I'm gonna put this in the waterline. Now I'm gonna take this burgundy color that I used above my crease. I'm gonna take this small brush and just lightly blend that underneath. So that is it for our eyes. I think it turned out pretty nice. I'm gonna finish the rest of this look and then we'll come back and talk about it. And this is our final look. So I thought a bold lip would go great with this eye. I like the way that this turned out. It wasn't exactly what I was going for, but I was inspired by the picture. Here it is again, if you guys want to see that again. That's kind of what I referenced, where I kind of just, it was my guide. So I did a little better this time. I want to keep trying. I want to get better at cut crease because I love a cut crease. I love the way it looks. It's just with a hooded eye, it's a lot harder. So I'm gonna, try to get some tips and tricks and figure out how to get this perfect for my type of eye and my face and make it look good on me. This lip is actually a lot darker in person than it's coming off on camera. It's like a dark, deep purple. Right now it's coming off like a vibrant plum purple. Like it's deep, deep, deep purple in person. But yeah, I like the way it looks. I mean, it didn't turn out perfect. This eye looks better than this eye because there's like this point right here, whereas this kind of just goes over. And honestly, I think I needed to bring it up, the cut crease up a little more in the inner corners, and I think that could have changed the entire way that this looked. But again, this is trial and error. I'm on this channel to teach myself how to do it, and I just hopefully am helping other people figure out things. And if you guys know any tips or tricks, or want to reference me to a video or something, let me know down in the comment section if there's anything that you know that I can do to improve this cut crease journey that I'm on right now. I know that I've done like 2 different cut crease videos before yesterday's video, I believe, and those were kind of like references to stuff as well. So I think that's the way for me to go. I should just start by like referencing stuff or following something. But I think I'm getting pretty good. I think I'm doing better. This one didn't turn out as bad as yesterday's, but I think that was mostly because I really got discouraged and I was like, you know what, this is not turning out right. So let me just be silly about it and know that everything is not going to turn out the way that I want it to when I want it to. So that was kind of where I went with that. But yeah, so I hope you guys like this video. I hope you guys like the look. I kind of like it. I'm rocking it today. I think I'm going to rock it today because I really don't even have time to take it off. So I hope you guys like this look. If you like this video, let me know with a thumbs up. If you're not subscribed to my channel, go ahead and hit that button. I love you all so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one.